So basically, to remove this center console, you have to remove everything here. On some tutorial, I found that you have to remove also this part. It's not necessary because this bolt which you have to reach is in the front. So like you can unscrew it like under a little bit of angle. It's okay. It's now a little bit moved to back. So I'm doing this like a backward because I already fixed the issue. So right now I have to plug in these two wires. One is for USB, this one, and this big one is for a lot of stuff which are inside the headrest. Yeah, there's also this plug for the charger socket or 12-volt socket. And on some tutorials there is not mentioned that you have to remove this panel here which covers this section. I will show you later. Okay, you can remove the selector cover with the icons after you remove this panel, so you can pop it out from the back, which is the best way. If you don't want to do that like that, you have to start from the front, just popping up and to the back, because there are those two plastic slides, so you have to start from the back, from the front, sorry. To remove the actual handle, you will just push the button and pry it a little bit and up. So don't be scared. It's very stiff, so you have to put a lot of force to remove it upwards. So yeah. So when removing this cover, don't forget to unplug the handbrake and controls in the front for the stuff like a sport. Lane assist, start stop, park system and stuff like that, so don't forget those two. When removing the whole thing, just raise your handrest and start to clip it out from the front upward and go to the back without any issues. Okay, this cover, it's very easy to remove him, no problem at all. It's just slide in. So basically, to put it back, it's like slide it back in without any issues. So I need two hands for that, but it's just slide in, slide out. Yeah, now it's in, and it's held in by these clips from the cover of the selector. So don't worry, very easy to remove. So this is the panel you have to remove. It's about the cup holder and I don't know, ashtray, whatever compartment, and under the AC control. It's held in by these clips. There's like 4 of them here, 1 here, and some are like in the way. I mean the plastic ones. So be very careful. But this part is in there very sturdy, so it will be very hard to remove it. When removing this compartment or ashtray, there is the plug for 12 volts, so do not forget to remove that pin. It's really hard to remove it, so be careful. So when removing this part, which is step before removing those screws, do not forget to unplug the keyless module here. It's the pink switch. So there's also 8 millimeter. It's 8 millimeter, I think. No, 7 millimeter screw down there, bolt down there. In some videos you will show that you have to remove this compartment, but no, you can reach it from like this side without any problems. One more time, when you unscrew all of those, this one and two 10 millimeters there, and on the other side, it's somewhere there. you have to see here, so you have to move the seat like totally forward, and from back side you can remove it. Then you just slide it that way without any issues. Everything under the vents from the outside, from the back side, are like slided in, so it will slide out without any issues. So basically, to remove this part, to get to that micro switch, you have to remove these I don't know how to say it, but pins. One is here and one is here. It's these pins, so you have to drill a hole in this section, like remove this connector, drill the hole, and by the hammer and some kind of a screwdriver, like tap it out to remove it from this point, and the same way that one. And then this is how to remove this cover, and then you can enter the micro switch, which I show you on the photo later. It's good to remove like this whole board. It's like it's just hanging there by this cover, so it's just clipped in cover here, so no problem to remove that.